Hi, Jessie here from Nigezza.co.uk, and today I'm bringing you a project which is my little handmade thank you gift to my customers, and it's this. So every month, if you order from me, you get a handmade card and a little handmade gift. This one's got a bit of Lindt chocolate in. Sometimes it could be a notepad, sometimes it could be a post-it note, it might be scented candles. Okay, so it's sort of different each month, and then you'll get a card, and if you use my host code you also get some free product. And this month I'm giving away the metallic pearls, and also I always add some little samples, so there'll be some DSP samples in there from the new catalogue. Okay, so let me show you how I made this. Okay, so we're using the DSP from the art, what's it called? Do you know, I'll learn these names. It's Arts and Crafts, Follow Your Art. I can't remember what the DSP is called though. And the name is on the other side. That's just brilliant. Follow Your Art. That's what it is. So I've used this. You might have seen my video where I made my, it's not going back in, so I won't bother. That where I made my glue, my adhesive storage for my desktop, and it now sits next to me here whilst I'm filming, and it's just perfect. So this sheet is the one that's got the basic grey background and all the sort of glues and re-inkers, but we're using this side because I just thought that was gorgeous. And we're also using the stamp set. It starts with art, love all those images, and it comes with a matching die set, and we'll be using both of those today. So to do the this, we need our scoreboard, and I've done this quite similar before. So we're going 7 and 7, 2 even, 2 and 7/8, 3 and 1/8. So we've got there just like a 1/4 of an inch gap in the middle. Okay, I've made these to take all sorts of different things, and they vary in the thickness that I make this bit and the length. And then we'll just take the tag topper punch to punch the top. And I am so excited about the new tag topper punch that's in the catalogue. I did that last time, but I haven't bought it yet. You can only buy so much, can't you? That'll be in my next order. There we go. Also, I'm going on holiday, so I decided that I can't buy too much because I can't use it all, and so I may as well wait until I'm back off my holiday. So that's that, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of snail on there to hold the chocolate in place, and that is that. So now we need to decorate. So I need some cardstock, which, there we go. And I'm using the bobbin and then the Let's Stay Up Late and Craft. I thought that was quite a cute thing to be saying to my customers. Some of my customers I am fortunate enough to live nearby. Well, I'm fortunate enough to meet up with them. They don't live nearby, and we do craft together. And some don't. It's a bit juicy because it's I haven't actually used this Pacific point very much. So need to be careful with that. There we go. Oh, don't like that. We'll do it again. That's better. That is better. I like that. Let me just stick this on the chamois. And then in Coastal Cabana, I'm going to do the words. So good now we've got the cling stamps that we can see. So if I just, excuse my head, I'm hoping that will be in place. There you go, it's good enough. And then we just need the die even. Oh dear, sometimes. Oh dear. So then we just need the die there to cut out that bobbin. And I'm also cutting out the buttons because I love that. And the paper clip. How cool's that? Okay, so I have pre-prepared these so that I don't have to stop the video, and I have in fact already cut these out and got them prepared here. So that's our row of buttons. Oh, that's the bobbin all cut out, and the paper clip is the cutest thing ever. That's so cute, isn't it? So yeah, so the other thing we need is a 1.5 inch circle in Pacific Point, which I thought I'd pre-cut, but now I can't see it. So there we go. I found I wasn't going to do that, but I found when I put it together that it kind of looked a little bit lost on here, so I decided it needed it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm making a sort of a belly band, so putting a bit of fast fuse along there. And I'm going to test out this, fold it round, make it slightly looser than that I think, so that it will go on and off. There. That go to there. Oh, the other way around. Back. That there. And that there. And then stick this on the back there. Centered on there, and then that forms a belly band there to go around it, which I thought was quite cute. I wanted to use as many elements as I could, and then I just sort of stuck this paper clip down there so it would glue in where there's already some glue and get attached. I thought that was quite cute. And then I used the flax ribbon to decorate the top, so I just cut a bit. If you want preciseness, what did I do? What's that? Oh, it's on the centimetre side. about 14 centimetres, 6 inches basically. That's what we've got. So stick that through. It's actually a little bit too long, I think. So maybe 5 inches. Okay, then we'll cut a bit down because that does get a bit frayy when you post it through. And then I've taken some baker's twine that I've coloured using the Stampin' Right marker, and I've done this in advance because otherwise you have to wait for it to dry. If you use the blends, you don't have to wait for that time. And what I did, you can see there, is I took a bit of washi tape and I taped the end, and then I took my pen, and because that was secure I could just colour quite easily, just moving slightly, so I got all the sides done. That's how I did it. Little tip there. And then I'm just going to knot it. You could bow it, but I might have enough actually to do this one in a bow. Did the other one in a knot. You can use a glue dot to hold your ribbon in place together as well if you want to. I'm just knotting this. And then I knotted it without it actually being knotted. Didn't pull it together, so I'll bow it now that it's knotted. There we go. And that's a little thank you gift. So there we have them. My little customer. So one with a bow, one without a bow, whichever you like. So yeah, nice little, quick little treats. They'd be nice for little party favours, tabletop presents, even wedding favours if you changed the sentiment. Great for, I do classes, often give a little gift. Yeah. So all the instructions over my blog, nigezza.co.uk. If you haven't got a catalogue yet, you haven't got a demonstrator, then just let me know. There's a request form on my blog, or just drop me a message. And if you'd like to shop with me and receive a nice little handmade gift, then please do. Shop links down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, press the bell so that you know when I've done a video, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.